You need to escape. Get to the portal. Hurry!
Portal? Asan yung portal? Oh, oh. Woo!
Run! Run!
There's no escape for you more.
So, hello everyone! Ako nga pala si Lay, isang expert horror streamer. At ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na Dark Deception. So, ang alam ko dito sa game na to, para tayong Pac-Man na mangunguha ng orbs, pero first person. So, ayun lang yung alam ko. So, wag na natin patagalan pa. Let's play Dark Deception. Oh! Ayun, namatay din yung ring light ko. Ang galing. Paid actor yung ring light ko ah. Wow! Ate ah. Maganda ka ah.
Oh, another one. How
Hello.
nice to have some company again.
Hello, ate.
Come over here. Let's have a look at you.
Anong titignan mo sa akin ah?
You disappoint me, love. You really do.
Alam, nilalandi
So
ako.
many fears. So many desires.
Love tawag sa akin.
I thought you'd be bigger. Don't look so confused. I know everything you've got hidden in that brain of yours. I know all the terrible things you've done. So many good intentions laid to waste. I could see the regret eating away at your soul.
O, tapos,
But now your time has come, and here you are, to grovel and beg. You can't go back.
Can't
Only
go back.
death awaits you there now.
death?
Fear not, love. You've got potential. I see it in you. And I can help change your fate. But if you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer
Wait,
quite a
okay.
bit to get it.
O, tapos, ate ko, ballroom. Wait, taas ko yung facecam ko. Wait lang ate, tinataas ko yung facecam ko.
These portals. Find them and bring them to me. And you'll get your wish. Fail. And you'll find there are fates far worse than death awaiting you here.
Ano ba yun? Ano ba yung death na yan? Lagi mo nalang minimension yung death. Mamamatay ba ako agad? Wow. Wait, ang dami na ito ah. Oy, ang tagal nung game na to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Wait, mahaba-haba pala tong game na to. Sige, punta ako dito. Okay na.
Clock's ticking.
Clock's ticking. Ate, yung pakitago naman. O, ano na yun? Monkey business. Okay lang yun. That is
What
my...
a charming little hotel.
Ano yun? Pampalakas ko yun.
Bring back any memories?
Memories? Life! Oh my God, kakausapin ko. Kakausapin nga kita eh. Bakit? Ba't ka nalaglag sa harapan ko? Ikaw kuya, malalaglag ka ba? Malalaglag ka ba? Kuya, yung kasama mo doon. May unggoy doon. Yan! May unggoy doon. Ayun, malaki yung unggoy yun. Ikaw ba yun? Or ito siya? Ito ba yun? Parang Hello? Well. Well. Doon din ako pupunta kung nasan yung unggoy na yon.
Going up?
Going up. Baba na ba ako? Ayoko pa bumaba eh.
Now listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal? Those are soul shards. Fragments of human spirit
Souls?
scattered throughout the halls of this little
Break the
maze.
boards. How?
Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here. Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be yours. One more thing. You're not alone.
Yeah, of
There
course.
are monsters in here, and they're looking for you. Here, you'll need this.
Whoa!
It can detect each...
Wait.
It was left by the last guest to disappoint me here. A very clever girl.
289?
She's not a very fast runner. Enough instruction. Break those boards and let's get this party started.
How do I break it? Okay. Okay, so kukunin ko tong mga ano na to. Yun lang yun. Ito nga, yung Pac-Man na to. Okay, I can sprint.
Dead already? That's okay. Nobody liked you anyway.
I need water. Oh my god, like this. Holy! This game? Okay. Nobody likes you. Easy lang to. Easy lang to. Okay, good. Speedrun. Alright. Speedrun. 20 shards. Okay. Okay, dito ako daan.
Found you!
I found. Ay! Bilisan mo. Go. Lahat to kailangan ko makuha. Okay, kunin ko yung mga nasa corner, I guess. Alrighty. Basic to. Ba't sarado yan? Wait, ba't nabuksan ko yun? Oh, nasa likod ko. Nag-isa lang ba siya? Para feel ko marami sila eh. Okay. Lock in. Saan pupunta? Lock in. We go. Madali lang. Basic lang.
I'm impressed.
Okay,
I
I
would
think
have
sa
thought
gitna
you'd
na
be
tayo.
quick.
Kasi wala na dito. Alright, sa mga gitna naman. Oh, 150 shards. Very nice. Ah! Dalawa yun nasa likod ko, 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 dalawa yun nasa likod ko. Uy kuya, hello. Nakita ko yun, palapit sa akin. Unahin ko na nga tong gitna. Isip. Naririnig ko yung yapak niya. This one. 200 shards. Okay, dito ako. Okay lang. May shards pa dito. Oh my god, naririnig ko naman sila. So that's fine.
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
$69 na lang. 69 shards. Oh my god. Pinagpapawisan naman agad dito sa ano na to, sa game na to. Something else, ah. Oh my gulay. Alright. Bilisan natin. Alright, dito. Dito. Here. Okay, ang daming shards dito. Naiiwan ka na. Not bad. Oh my god, dalawa na naman sila dito. Paano to?
Death by monkey.
Paano yun?
Oh, dear.
Dalawa sila.
Embarrassing.
Dalawa sila, like, nandun sa harapan ko yung isa, tas yung tapos ito, ang dami dito. Ubusin ko to lahat. Ay, ponyeta ka talaga!
You are dead.
Gago tong game na to, ah. What the hell, man? Last checkpoint? Alright. Mag-Valorant streamer na lang ako, hindi na ako magka-horror. Valorant streamer. Alright. Ito, si Unggoy. Yun siya, yun no. Oh, no, ano. I'm smarter than you. Okay, ikot na tayo dito. Ang dami nila doon. Wait, sasalubungin ba ako neto? Don't look behind! Don't look behind you! Don't look behind you nga eh! Don't look behind you nga eh!
You're making it pretty easy to
Ba't ang
root for the
hirap?
monkeys.
Ba't ang hirap? Ba't ang hirap? What the freak, man? Oh my gulay! Bigay mo na sa akin yung isa na yan! Last one, last one. Last two pala, last two. Go, go, go. Go here, right side.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed. And the
Ring piece?
monsters will go
Asan yung
into
ring
their
piece?
dens. Get to the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Oh my god, like... Tontaron, tontaron, tontaron.
Dead already? That's okay. Nobody liked you anyway.
This time, Orbas, an audio timer. Ano ba yung mga tips na yun? Hindi
You've
ko
gathered all of the soul shards.
Hindi ko nga
The ring
mabasa.
piece is now exposed. And the monsters will go into their frenzy. Get to the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds
Oh my god! Umalis kayo dyan! Can you?
You are dead.
3! What? Ano?
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed. And the monsters will go into their frenzy. Get to the ring piece
Kasi
before
nandun
Mr.
sila
Monkey
nakaabang ng
finds you.
suga.
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder monkeys.
Mapapaos ako dito kakasigaw. Holy.
You've
Wait lang, pause mo na. Hello, Pits. Ang hirap niya. Ang hirap niya.
gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed.
Tingnan nyo ah, nakaabang to. Tingnan mo.
Monsters will go into their
Oh. Tapos yung kasama niya nandito din.
for Mr. Monkey
O,
finds
diba? Kailangan ko ba sila i-jinx? Okay, andito tong tanga na to. Oh my God!
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
Pre, paano yun? Nanduga!
You've gathered all of the soul shards.
Paano nila ako
The ring
habulin
piece is
sabay?
now exposed. And the monsters will go into a frenzy. Get to the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Oh my God, like...
You are dead.
Pre! Ang hirap. Hello? Naglag na naman ba ako? Hello, chat? Ay, Diyos mio, Maribar.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed. And the monsters will go into a frenzy. Get to the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you. He knows you're here now. You need to escape. Get to the portal. Hurry!
Portal? Asan yung portal? Oh, oh. Woo!
Run! Run!
There's no escape for you, more.
Oh my god. Soul Shards? Chapter 2? Chapter 2? Uy ate, malaki malaki yung kinabukasan mo talaga ate.
Good. You made it. And I see you met my friend sooner than I was expecting.
Sinong friend? Mata! Ayoko nga sa'yo mata eh. Galit nga ako sa'yo sa repo pa lang eh. Nandito ka na naman.
Beers.
Ano, nagsasalita ka na ngayon?
So persistent after all this time. Do not listen to her, mortal. She's just using you. Give her the ring, and there will be consequences. This is your only warning. Help her, and you will suffer.
Pay no attention to him. His powers cannot reach you here. The ring piece. Place it on the table. Now!
La, demanding. Ito itong ate girl na to, yung demanding, laki ng
The ring is
kinabukasan.
called the Riddle of Heaven. An
Riddle of
ironic
Heaven.
name, don't you think? A demon's power is contained inside it. The creature of infinite cruelty that you just met. Malak.
Malak! Who's Malak?
Complete the ring, and you can use Malak's power to fulfill your darkest desires. Or so the legend goes.
Who's Malak? Sino si Malak?
8 more pieces to go.
8 more pieces,
Are
ang
you
dami
ready
naman.
for another nightmare?
Okay. Wala, Tsakadal. Si Tsakadal. Oh! To be continued in chapter 2.
Kaya ko to kahit mag-isa lang ako. Mag-isa lang ako. Ang hirap maghanap ng kakampi. Kahit anong sabihin ko, walang nag-iintindi. Mag-isa lang ako. Kahit malungkot ang nararamdaman.